In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate eBay like a pro using some simple yet effective steps that will ensure your online shopping experience is as smooth and efficient as possible. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just getting started, these steps will help you make the most of your eBay journey. Let's dive right in. First, let's visit the eBay website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser, be it Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like, and typing in www.ebay.com into the address bar. Alternatively, you can use the search engine of your choice and simply search for eBay. Once the homepage loads, you'll notice the dynamic and user-friendly layout designed to make online shopping easy and enjoyable. Take a moment to get acquainted with the homepage. Here you'll find categories, deals, and a showcase of trending items. It's a great spot for inspiration if you're not looking for anything specific yet. The crucial part of your eBay journey is the search bar, prominently located at the top center of the page. Clicking on the search bar allows you to type in keywords concerning what you're looking for. Whether you're searching for electronics, fashion, collectibles, or even parts for a DIY project, this feature is your gateway to a vast global marketplace. Besides, eBay will also provide you with predictive text as you type, suggesting items that might align with your search, which is handy for refining your query quickly. Now, an important feature to keep an account organized is maintaining your search history. Once you've clicked into the search bar, you might notice a drop-down displaying your recent searches. This feature is incredibly useful if you need to refer back to previous searches. However, if you want to clear your recent searches to keep things tidy or for privacy considerations, it's simple. Each entry in this list has a remove option next to it. By clicking remove, you can individually clear searches from the list. This keeps your history uncluttered and lets you start fresh whenever you wish. With the steps we've walked through today, you're ready to embark on a seamless eBay shopping experience. We've covered how to access the site, utilize the search bar efficiently, and manage your search history, all of which contribute to a streamlined, user-friendly shopping environment. With regular practice, these actions will soon become second nature, allowing you to focus more on finding great deals and less on navigating the site. I hope you found this guide helpful, and you're now more confident in navigating eBay with ease. Happy shopping, and until next time, stay savvy.